Hey everybody, this is Chris Sussman, otherwise known as the Barbecue Buddha, and I'm going to walk you through how I smoke this Snake River Farms corned beef half round. This is a big hunk of beef from the rear of the animal. It's not very tender, so you got to cook it right to get all the best flavor out of it. And I did a couple of really interesting things with this. I split it in half after the smoking session yesterday, and today I steamed half of it and turned it into sandwiches, and I braised half of it and turned it into classic corned beef with braised cabbage, potatoes, and carrots. This is a really great cook. I can't wait to walk you through it. Stick with me and I'll show you all this sort of stuff in just a little bit.